Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Bitget, Trade Bitcoin and Crypto app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and public data, not financial advice or a personal endorsement. Bitget is a cryptocurrency trading app that allows users to buy, sell, and trade a wide variety of digital assets including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins. The platform supports spot trading, margin trading, and derivatives for users who want more advanced trading options. It's available on both iOS and Android and offers a built-in wallet, real-time price charts, order history tracking, and security features such as two-factor authentication, 2FA. The app's main feature is its flexible trading suite. Users can execute market orders, limit orders, stop-loss/take profit orders, and manage their portfolio directly from the mobile interface. For advanced traders, Bitget offers leverage trading and derivative contracts. It also provides features like price alerts, real-time market data, and news integration to help users stay informed. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its user-friendly interface, broad asset coverage, and responsive customer support. The in-app wallet and seamless deposit/withdrawal options make it convenient for both casual and frequent traders. Additionally, the charting tools and market analysis features enable users to make informed trading decisions. However, there are some drawbacks. Crypto markets are highly volatile, which means leveraged or derivative trading involves significant risk and may result in losses. Some users report occasional delays in withdrawals depending on blockchain network congestion. Regulatory uncertainty in certain regions may also limit app availability or asset support. As with all crypto platforms, users should be cautious and invest only what they can afford to lose. In summary, the Bitget app may be worth using if you want a comprehensive, all-in-one platform for trading Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies with a mix of simplicity and advanced tools. However, if you're unfamiliar with crypto trading, prefer lower risk, or are concerned about regulatory and volatility risks, it might not be the best fit for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.